Hi, Lessons on the Lake family. We have an important announcement for you. We are excited to announce our new location. We are not at the 807 Williamson Road location anymore. We are now at our 128 Overhill Drive, Suite 103 location now, right up here. It's not too far. It's about 4 miles from our current location. So I did want to provide you with an alternate route. If you didn't want to join the fun on 77, from our old location, you can go from Williamson Road across 77 over to Route 21. You can just make a left there, follow that all the way up to Oaks Road. You'll make a left there at Oaks Road. That's the same street that will take you all the way down to the NASCAR Technical Institute. And you will also find Aqua Fitness down there as well. Follow that. Then you will make a right on Talbot Point Drive. The very first left is Overhill Drive. So let's zoom in and get a better picture of that for you here. Here's our new location. You will have made a left on Overhill Drive. Turn in right here. You will see 128, a very small little print up on the right hand corner right here. That's 128. Our suite is right in the middle. Suite 103. By the time you come, we hope to have a nice, big, beautiful sign right here. But either way, we look forward to an exciting, productive, fun-filled semester. So we look forward to getting you in here and continuing your musical journey.